During the repairs, we changed the spraying adapter module and the impeller pump signal cables, because this wrong when we changed the cables, the impeller, the centrifugal motor were spraying fine. But we changed again the pump and all, and look what we find.
Fly with caution.
We changed that parts to check them here, and now if we look here, we can see the rotational speed, the flow. But look, so now when we change the cable and the sprayer adapter module, we have signal. But now we are having this problem, flow calculation error. And if we try to calibrate,
Obstacle above aircraft.
look, if we try to calibrate,
Obstacle above aircraft.
doesn't spray,
Fly with caution.
and only the one is spraying. So we need to change too the impeller pump and the centrifugal motor to fix this problem. Again, the serial number of this drone.